We love our pets. 98% of pet owners call their pet an important part of their family. Pets provide companionship and, perhaps most importantly, a sense of purpose. There are more than 1 billion pets worldwide, powering a pet industry in excess of $300 billion in annual sales. However, about half of the world's 2 billion households do not have live pets, for reasons including health adversity, cost, burden of care, and living restrictions. Imagine a robot that looks, feels, and behaves so much like a real puppy, you fall in love. Hi, I'm Tom Stevens, CEO and co-founder of Tombot, and this is Jenny. Jenny is our first robotic puppy. She is designed for the 300 million older people with dementia or mild cognitive impairment who cannot care for a live animal.
The reality is that so many elderly folks, whether they have dementia or don't, suffer from loneliness, from isolation, and then do need, as they get older and have invariable or inevitable decline, do have needs that require assistance, that require to a certain degree dependence. And so to that end, I can see this particular device, Jenny, supplanting or assisting those patients who may be suffering from certain conditions.
We're actually spending a lot of time looking at this issue. Whether it's because of the shortage of caregivers, which we empirically have in this country, and it's going from bad to worse, or it's just caregiver burnout, if Jenny enriches the life of the user a little bit, and therefore makes it easier and more pleasant for the caregiver to take care of the senior with dementia, whoever the patient is, then it's absolutely serving yet another purpose.
The behavioral and psychological symptoms of dementia can include loneliness, anxiety, depression, hallucinations, and sometimes violent anger. Doctors frequently use psychotropic medications to manage these symptoms. Unfortunately, these medications can cause terrible side effects, including an increased risk of death. Peer-reviewed studies show that robotic animals can reduce the behavioral and psychological symptoms of dementia and lessen the need for dangerous psychotropic medications. Tombot conducted 3 rounds of customer studies with over 700 seniors with dementia to determine what they love. We learned they have a strong preference for realism in appearance, texture, and most importantly, behaviors. Tombot worked with Jim Henson's Creature Shop for artistic design. We aim to make the world's most realistic robotic animals at a price many people can afford. There's never been a product like Jenny before. There are dozens of novel challenges that must be overcome to successfully marry animatronic artistry with high-tech robotic engineering and produce a desirable and affordable product. The Tombot team has successfully navigated many of these challenges, and we're now well on our way to bringing Jenny to our customers. Tombot has over 7,000 pre-order and waitlist customers, including B2B organizations such as hospitals, assisted living, memory care, and skilled nursing facilities. Our next steps are to test and refine these new designs so that they'll survive everyday use, be able to attain the necessary safety certifications, and be manufacturable in large quantities to meet our very large customer demand. We now anticipate first customer shipments in 2025. It takes a lot of capital to bring a new robot to market. Rather than only raising money from venture capital firms and high net worth individuals, we believe that those people who need Jenny the most should also be the ones who benefit from ownership in Tombot the company. This is why we're inviting the Tombot community to participate in this campaign. Your voices determine what products Tombot develops, and your investments will allow you to benefit from the financial rewards the company generates. Regulation crowdfunding is a new way for everyday people to get involved with startups like Tombot and help turn great ideas into inventions that impact people's lives.
It gives you the chance to help make a difference, and a big difference, in a huge segment of the population around the world who is suffering. And just in and of itself, I think that one component is a really powerful piece.
I don't think there's anybody walking on the planet, you couldn't find one person that wouldn't spend that money to make one of their loved ones feel a little bit better for a long time.
Tombot has raised over $9 million in cash and a convertible line of credit. We are raising this additional capital to accelerate Jenny into production and make key hires in preparation for first customer shipments. We anticipate a number of opportunities to create liquidity for our shareholders, including an IPO. Our current plan is to conduct a liquidity event in 2027. We'd like to thank the tens of thousands of customers, advocates, and fans from around the world for all of your support and encouragement. The Tombot community truly means the world to us. For more information and investing in Tombot, please follow the link to our campaign page and join our mission to transform the lives of the 1 billion people with mental health adversities.